Creating model documents and templates can help you take better notes and create uniform structure across documents. For example, if you take regular meeting notes, having a pages documents with a clear structure can help you bring uniformity to your meeting notes, making them more legible and easy to understand. In this guide, we'll show you 3 methods you can use to use a pages document as a template. Before we begin, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel if you like the content. The basic way to use a pages document as a template is to duplicate it when you want to create a new document. You can easily do that by selecting the document and hitting the keyboard shortcut Command D. Another way to create a duplicate is by holding down the Option key and dragging and dropping the document. You can drag and drop it in a different location or in the same folder. After you create the duplicate, you can double click on it and start editing. While the duplicating feature works perfectly, I like to use the stationary pad feature that automatically duplicates the file, saving me a precious few seconds every time I want to create a new document. To use this feature, click to select the file and hit the keyboard shortcut Command I to open the info panel. Alternatively, right click or control click on the document and choose the Get Info option. Now, enable the checkbox next to stationary pad and close the info panel. And that's it. When you click on the document, it will automatically create a new copy and open it for editing. If you want to access the same document as a template across all your Apple devices, you can do so by converting the document into a template. To do that, double click on the file to open it, go to the file menu and choose the Save as Template option. Click the Add to Template Chooser option when prompted, and that's it. Now, whenever you launch the Pages app, you will find this template in My Template section. You can double click on it to start a new document. And that's about it for this video. You might think that the third method is the best, but I prefer the second one. It's because it creates a new document in the same folder that hosts all my meeting notes, which is already opened when I start a new meeting. That way, I don't have to traverse the directory to save my new meeting notes in the same place. Which method do you prefer? Let us know in the comments and we'll see you in the next video.